Hi everyone, today I am going to show you how to move away from manual rule creation and hold detection as code. We are looking at a fully automated CI/CD pipeline that takes custom detection rules from a GitHub repository and deploys them directly into Elastic Security SIEM. This approach ensures consistency, version control, and speed in our security operation. It all starts here in GitHub. I have structured my detection rules using YAML files. If we look at this specific rule, we will see it is not just a query, it contains metadata that defines the logic. I have included fields for the rule name, description, and the specific risk score. By using a risk-based approach, we can prioritize alerts that actually matter rather than drowning in low priority noises. You can see that there is no rule in Elastic. Now let's look at the magic part, the CI/CD pipeline. I'm using GitHub Actions for this workflow. Every time I push a new rule or update an existing one, this pipeline triggers. It first validates the YAML syntax to ensure there are no errors. Once all the tests pass, it uses the Elastic Detection Engine API to push these rules directly into our SIEM instance. Moving over to the Elastic Security Console, we can see the result. The rule we just saw in GitHub has been successfully created here. You will notice the risk score is set exactly as we defined, and the MITRE ATT&CK mappings are fully populated. If I need to change the logic, I do not edit it here in the GUI. I simply update the code in GitHub and the pipeline handles the rest. Crucially, every rule in this repo is mapped to the MITRE ATT&CK framework. You can see the specific tactics and techniques tag right here. This mapping is vital because it allows us to visualize our coverage gaps within the Elastic environment. When the rule deploys, Elastic will automatically recognize these tags, helping the SOC team understand the adversary behavior they are looking at. This automation reduces human error and allows us to treat our detections with the same severity as software engineering. We now have a searchable, audible, and scalable way to manage our threat detection posture. If you found this walkthrough helpful, feel free to check out the repo link in the description. Thanks for the watching.